Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. A really common question is, do the seat covers work with heated and air-conditioned seats? Heated is an easy one because heat will transfer through just about any material just fine, and you still feel it. It may be a little diminished, the heat, but you still feel it really good. Now, the trickier one is the air conditioning. So air conditioning, you may want to go with a perforated material for the insert to feel that AC a little bit more. No matter what fabric you put on over your AC seats, the AC flow will be diminished. But if you go with a perforated insert like we have showing inside this vehicle right now, that perforation, those little holes will allow for a little bit more breathability compared to a solid, no perforated material. So that is our recommendation, is the perforated inserts if you have air-conditioned seats. Now, another thing to consider is there are other fabrics that naturally breathe a little bit better. One, for example, would be sheepskin. Sheepskin's a great breathable material. It keeps you warm in winter months and cool in summer months. So that's another thing to consider. But if you're going with a look like this, where you want it to look and feel a lot more like leather and you maybe do a canvas side to it, then the perforated insert works great. And that's our recommendation for air-conditioned seats. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to us. Again, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.